Hello, I'm Ellen McShane, and I'm really pleased to be here with you to talk to you about how to earn money online. And I'm interested in what are the laws of attraction so you can earn money online, creating health and happiness for you and wealth. Have you ever wondered how we attract money and wealth to us? Well, I hope you'll stay with me throughout this video so that I can share with you some very simple approaches to attracting money into your life. Energy is the key to understanding the laws of attraction. And we are energy, and quantum physics helps explain how we attract energy to us based on the energy that we emit. Some days we feel strong and good and positive, and we attract positive things to us. Other days we feel sad, we might be depressed, we might be angry, we're in a negative state. And as a result, we find that things get worse. We have problems, we're upset, we don't know how to handle all of the things that are happening to us, we feel overwhelmed. Well, we know through physics that like energy attracts other same energy. And so if you're in a positive place, you're going to attract positive energy. But if you're in a negative place, you're going to attract negativity. And so the more you can be aware of self-love, be focused on developing your self-worth, be in a state of confidence and strength, you're going to attract positive energy to you. And you're going to be able to manifest the wonderful things that the universe has to offer us and live a life of abundance. There are 6 steps to creating health and happiness. The first step is to set an intention. Make sure you understand what you want. The clearer you are, the more specific you are, the more you can imagine what is happening through your intention, the easier this process is going to be. So take time to process what is it that you want to manifest in your life. Set a goal and set an intention. Number 2, enter into a state of joy and happiness. Raise your level of vibration so that you are happy. You're experiencing the joy that you find around you all the time. Number 3, think thoughts about what is your intention going to be like. You want to make sure that you're very clear about how your thoughts are connecting to your intention, because your thoughts create reality for you. And practice visualization. Use your imagination. It's a wonderful tool, because through our imagination, we use our thoughts and our visual abilities to create our reality. And that is the 4th step in the process. And number 5, just don't worry about how or when all of this is going to happen. You just know that it is going to happen. And then you're able to, in step 6, have gratitude for all you already have and for all you know that is coming your way. And as you take the future joy and understanding of accomplishing your intention in the moment, in the present moment, you can then be in a state of gratitude for what you know is going to be manifested. It is a wonderful state to be in. Practice it all day long. Be grateful for everything in your life and just enjoy yourselves. So this is basically the law of attraction. Energy creates and attracts other energy. So if you stay in a positive place, you're going to attract positive things to you, and positive people and positive experiences. And you're going to learn to manifest what you want and how you are going to earn money online. So thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video, and I look forward to discussing how you can apply the laws of attraction as we explore all these different companies that are going to make sure you're earning money online. Thank you.